I tried to feel my heart. I could not feel my heart. It had stopped beating. I have since been introduced to come to the opinion that it must have been there all the time and must have been beating. But I cannot account for it. I patted. Okay. Mariva, Badeva. Myself all over my front from what I waist up. Call my waist up to my head. Badela. Huh? And I went a bit around each side. And a little way up the back. Huh? But I could not feel or hear anything. Huh? ସେ କିଛି ତା ହାର୍ଟବିଟ୍ ଶୁଣି ପାରିଲାନି. I tried to look at my tongue. ଦେଖିଲା. I stuck it out. Stock it out. Stock ହେଲା stick ର past tense. As far as ever it would go. ଜୋରରେ ବାହାର କଲା. And I shot one eye. ଗୋଟେ eye ବୁଜିଲା. And tried to examine it. ଏଇଟା ଦେଖାଯାଉଛି. It with the other. I could not. I could only see the tip, and only thing that I could gain from that was to feel more certain than before that I had a scarlet fever. Huh? Huh? Scarlet fever. I had walked into that reading room a happy, healthy man. Okay, ମୁଁ ଆସିଥିଲି happy, healthy man. I crawled out, decrepit wreck. କିନ୍ତୁ okay, ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ଯେତେବେଳେ ବାହାରିଲି, I crawled out a decrepit wreck. ମୁଁ ଗୋଟେ okay, tired ଲୋକ ହେଇକିରି ବାହାରିଲି. wreck ହେଇକିରି ବାହାରିଲି. ruined ହେଇକିରି ବାହାରିଲି. ମୋର ସବୁ ଯେମିତି ଚାଲି ଯାଇଛି. I went to my medical man. He's an old chum friend of mine and feels my pulse and looks at my tongue and talks about the weather. All for nothing when I fancy I am ill. Okay? ମାନେ ସେ ଦେଖିଲା, looks at my tongue and talks about the weather. ଏ କଥା ହେଲା. All for nothing when I fancy I am ill. But I was thinking that I am ill. Huh? I thought I would do him a good turn by going to him now. Okay? So I thought I would do him a good turn by going to him now. What a doctor wants, I said, is practice. He shall have me. He will get more practice out of me than out of 1700 of your ordinary commonplace patients with only one or two diseases each. You know, I have many diseases. Okay? Tar basic practice ho. So I went straight up and saw him, and he said, okay. He said, well, what is the matter with you? I said, I will not take up your time, dear boy, with telling you what is the matter with me. Life is brief. Brief ମାନେ ଛୋଟ. କହିଲା ମୁଁ ବେଶ ସମୟ ନେବିନି. and you might pass out before I had finished. But will tell you what is not the matter with me. Huh? I had not got housemate's knee. Huh? Why have I? Why I have not got housemate's knee? I cannot tell you, but the fact remains that I have not got it. Everything else, however, I have got it. I have got. ଆଉ ସବୁ ତାକୁ ଛାଡ଼ିକିରି ଆଉ ସବୁ ପାଇଛି ହେଲା and I told him now I came to discover it all. Then he opened me and looked down me and closed hold of my wrist, and then he hit me over the chest when I was not expecting it. A cowardly thing to do, I call it. Cowardly ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ କାପୁରୁଷତାର କାମ କଣ ହିଟ୍ ଉପରେ ସେ ଚେଷ୍ଟ ଉପରେ ହିଟ୍ କର I call it, and immediately afterwards butted means ମୋ head ରେ ବାଡ଼େଇଲା butted me with the side of his head. Head रे बाड़ेला मते after that he sat down and wrote out a prescription lekhila and folded it up and gave it me, and I put it in my pocket and went out. ମୁଁ ଧରିଲି ଚାଲିଲି. I didn't open it. I took it to the nearest chemist and handed it in. Okay. The man read it and then handed it back. He said he didn't keep it. Okay. I said, you are a chemist. He said, I am a chemist. If I was a cooperative stores and family hotel combined, I might be able to oblige you. Being only a chemist hampers me. Oh. Okay, chemist जेहेतु मुझे कर परिविनी है ला. I read the prescription. It ran. It ran माने यह लिखा है तला. कौन? ना 1 pound. इटा pound बोलते हैं ला. IB. Beef stick with one bitter beer है पिट्टी कौन लिखा है even 6 hours every 6 hours नबू 1 10-mile walk every morning, 1 bed at 11 sharp every night, and don't stop up your head with the things you don't understand. Okay, हेड़ा बेसी भाबिबनी जोड़ा तू बेसी जानी न पारुछु जोड़ा भाबिबनी stop up your head बुझिपार लगी हेड़ा बेसी भाबिबनी I followed the directions with a happy result. Speaking for myself. That my life was preserved and is still going on. That was the happy result. Speaking for myself. That my life is was preserved. Actually, my life ta अच्छी मैंने ये बड़ा सब जानला परे In the present instance, going back to the Liverpool circular, I had the symptoms beyond all mistake, the chief among them being a general disinclination to work of any kind. माने मोर काम करे आग्रह नहीं बुझिपारे कि नहीं disinclination what I suffer in that way no tongue can tell आगे हाँ से जे इटा बहुत बड़ ये ताकू मु करेबी से जानीदब या भितर है कि किसी असुविधा नहीं एटा बहुत बड़ चैप्टर एटा पूरा तेणु या गोटे गोटे जोटे विषय थी 4-5 पेज से अलग नभेल यार पाठपढ़ाटा अलग मुझे जानी कौन धर तेणु मुझे जानी कौटा कौन पढ़ा हम यहीटा को एत ये ना यहाँ खाली जाना दरकार अच्छा what I suffer in that way no tongue can tell from my earliest infancy I have been a martyr to it infancy मैंने मो छुआ दिन martyr मु गोटे शहीद to it okay as a boy the disease hardly ever left me for a day सबुदिन मत disease okay what did I they did not know then that it was my liver medical science was in a far less advanced state than now सेतेबेले एते नथिला advance and they used to put it down to laziness so सेमाने एटा लेखुथिले डॉक्टर put it down लेखुथिले एटा laziness अछि तार liver फबर किसी प्रॉब्लम नहीं why you skulking okay skulking this makes moving secretly so that no one notices you why you skulking little devil you they would say मैंने कहीं काम करनु get up and do something for your living can't you अलसुआटा बोले एमती मत कहते not knowing of course that I was ill मो भितर मो ill अच्छी and they didn't give me pills they gave me clumps okay मत खाली बाडौथिले एक ढोढो बाडेबे मु भल हो on the sides of the head and strange as it may appear those clumps mado on the head often cured me मत भी भल कर दूसला for the time being I have known one clump on the head have more effect on my liver भल इफेक्ट होता and make me feel more anxious to go straight away then and there पूरा सीधा पड़े जाऊली and do what was wanted to be done जहाँ काम करिया कथा करूली without further loss of time than a whole box of pills does now सांगे सांगे मुझे काम करूली एबे सेटा पिल खाया पड़ुची मेडिसिन you know it okay you know it often is so those simple old fashioned remedies are sometimes more efficacious okay they're effective than all the dispensary stuff माने जो मेडिसिन दुकान में जो मिलुची जो औषध ताटू भल थिला we sat there for half an hour described to each other our maladies I explained to George and William एटी पुणी आसीगला ओके सेमानक कथा I explained to George and William Harris how I felt when I got up in the morning, and William Harris told us how he felt when he went to bed. And George stood on the hearthrug and gave us a clever and powerful piece of acting, okay, illustrative of how he felt in the night. So से गोटे acting कला देखेला से केमती ताको केमती लागुची नाइट रे. George fancies he is ill, okay. George fancies से imagine करुची he is ill, but there is never anything really the matter with him, you know. एमिति किसी तार है नहीं, anything really the matter. At this point, Mrs. Poppets knocked at the door to know if we were ready for supper. Meal tanga ready hai. We smiled sadly at one another and said we supposed we had better try to swallow a bit. Okay. And said we supposed we had better try to swallow a bit. So, ame khaibu. Harris said a little something once. Stomach often kept the disease in check. Harris said, se कहला, a little something in one's stomach, यदि किसी खाई दबो, often kept the disease in check. Made बेसी रोग भाग हबनी. And Mrs. Poppets brought the tray in. सब tray धर के आसले. And we drew up to the table. आमे भी चली गलु पाखु टेबल पाखु, and toyed with a little stick and onions, okay, with a little stick and onions and some rhubarb tart, okay, rhubarb, a thin red stem of a plant eaten as a fruit. But a red stem, okay, but a plant or tart, okay. এটা হচ্ছে pie, a stuffed pie which is sweet filled, ହେଲା. ତେଣୁ ଗୋଟେ slice ଟେ, right, slice ଜାଣିଛୁ, କଟାଟେ, ହେଲା. Stick I'll say, STEAK. Or you can see also, okay. I must have been very weak at the time, because I know after the first half hour or so, I seem to take no interest whatever in my food, an unusual thing for me, and I didn't want any cheese. ଖାଇବାକୁ ବି ଭଲ ଲାଗୁନଥିଲା, ହେଲା. This duty done, we refilled our glasses, lit our pipes, जोड़ा हुक्का टाणती, lit होची past tense का lighted, and resumed the discussion upon our state of health. Resume the discussion upon, हमें resume कलु, पुणी आरंभ कलु, ହେଲା. Upon our कहा विषय रे आरंभ कलु discussion एटा, upon our state of health, पुणी health विषय रे बाहरला. What it was that was actually the matter with us, we none of us could be sure of. कौन आमर हेची? What it was that was actually the matter with us, आमर कौन हेची? None of us could be sure of. Okay, कि sure नुह का विषय जानिया को, माने कौन है disease विषय. But the unanimous opinion was that it. What was that unanimous opinion? Unanimous, एका संगरे, whatever it was, had been brought on by overwork. जहाँ भी ହେଇଛି यारी जोगु ହେଇଛି बेसी काम करिले व्हाट डू यू वांट इज रेस्ट सेड हारिस मतलब टिके रेस्ट नवा दरकार है हला रेस्ट एंड कंप्लीट चेंज रेस्ट एंड a complete change said George. The overstrain upon our brains has produced a general depression throughout the system. Change of scene and absence of necessity for thought will restore the mental equilibrium. So it's change with us. Well, rest दरकार change. Rest and a complete change. The overstrain बहुत जो काम କରୁଛେ upon our जो पड़ुଛି pressure and upon our brains has produced a general depression throughout the system ଆମ body ସାରା change of scene and absence of the necessity for thought ହେଲା absence of the necessity for thought ଆମେ ଯଦି ଭାବିବାନି ବେଶୀ ଆଉ ଚେଞ୍ଜ ଗୋଟେ ଜାଗା ଅନ୍ୟ ଜାଗାକୁ ଯିବା ତାହେଲେ it will restore ପୁଣି ଆଣିଦବ मेंटल इक्विलिब्रियम पुणी मेंटल इक्विलिब्रियम संतुलन जानते तो संतुलन जॉर्ज हैज ए कजिन who is usually described in the charge sheet as a medical student okay so that he naturally was a somewhat family physicianary okay so family physicianary means doctor physician way of putting things okay I agree with George mane George has a cousin who is usually described in the charge sheet as a medical student तामें ता विषय रे बेले बेले कथा होंते so that he naturally has a somewhat family visionary way of putting things तामाने से ठीक कथाटा कहबो ता कजिन रु सुनिथिबो कि कोन हला कहबो जॉर्ज I agreed with George and suggested that we should seek out जॉर्ज कथाटा को हमें एग्री करू seek out some retired and old world spot हमें कुआडे जीवु गोटे जगह को जीवु ओल्ड वर्ल्ड स्पॉट फार फ्रॉम मैडिंग क्राउड ये जो मैड भलिया क्राउड है ताठू दूर रे एंड ड्रीम अवे ए सनी वीक ओके हमें रहिबु एठी among its drowsy lanes drowsy sleepy tired lanes some half gotten nook okay half gotten corner hidden away by the fairies सेठी out of reach of a noisy world okay so fairies okay out of reach of the noisy world base लोक हेठी जाउ नथिबे some quaint post eerie quaint post eerie very old and unusual nest in on a higher place quaint post very nest okay सेमतिया गोटे जगह गोटे बहुत उच्च जगह ऑन द क्लिफ्स ऑफ टाइम गोटे जगह बोधे एठी क्लिफ्स से जो माने जो बड़ बड़ पत्थर जो होता है ना क्लिफ्स ऑफ टाइम From hence, the surging waves of a 19th century would sound far off and faint. ଯୋଉଠୁ the surging waves of the 19th century ମାନେ okay, would sound far off and faint. ସେଠି ଶୁଭିବନି, ସେଠି ଯୋଉ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ଶୁଭିବନି, ଯେମିତି ୱେଭ୍ ସାଉଣ୍ଡ ବି ଯିବନି ହେଲା। Aris had said he thought it would be humpy. Humpy, I will tell. He said he knew the sort of place I meant. एमतिया जगह से जानी छी। Where everybody went to bed at 8 o'clock. So 8 सोई. You couldn't get a referee for love or money, and had to walk 10 miles to get your bassi. Okay, referee. ସିଏ ସେଠି ଗୋଟେ ରେଫ୍ରି ଏମିତି ନଥିବ ଯେ ମନି ପାଇଁ କିମ୍ବା ଲଭ୍ ପାଇଁ ଆମକୁ ପାର୍ସିଆଲିଟି କରିବ। and had to walk 10 miles to get your bassi. Okay, so ଏମିତିଆ ଜାଗା ଏତେ ଦୂର ହେଇଥିବ ଯେ ତମେ ଗୋଟେ ବାସି ପାଇବା ପାଇଁ 10 miles ଯିବାକୁ ପଡିବ, ମାନେ ବହୁତ ଦୂର, ମାନେ ଗୋଟେ ନିର୍ଜନ ଜାଗା ହେଲା। ସିଗାରେଟ ବି ମିଳିବନି ଏଠି, ଟୋବାକୋ ଏମିତିଆ ଜାଗା। No, said Harris, if you want rest and change, you can't beat a sea trip. से कहले ना सी ट्रिप टा बढ़िया हम सी रे जाओ है ना, सी रे गोटे बुलिया जाओ सेटा बेस्ट, यू कैन बीट। आई ऑब्जेक्टेड टू द सी ट्रिप स्ट्रांगली, कि मु कहली ना मु सी ट्रिप कर, सी ट्रिप सी ट्रिप डज यू गुड when you are going to have a couple of months of it है, यदि 2 मास खंड थी तुम तमें जीव ठीक, बट फॉर ए वीक आम तो गोटे वीक पे जीवा, सी ट्रिप कौन करा, इट इज विकेड, बहुत खराब। सी ट्रिप रे गोटे वीक किसी नुह है, 2 मास ठीक अच्छे। स्टार्ट ऑन मंडे with the idea implanted in your bosom, माने छाती रे, okay, that you are going to enjoy yourself. You wave an airy adieu, माने गोटे गुड बाय दियो, wave एंती हाथ हल्लेगा to the boys on shore, light your biggest pipe, हुक्का टाणो, and swagger. Walk. Swagger means walk confidently with pride about the deck. Okay, walk about, swagger about the deck. माने जहाज रे है ना, as if you are Captain Cook, Captain Moria, Sir Francis Drake, and Christopher Columbus, all rolled into one. तम पाखे सबू अच्छी, तुम्हें गोटे लोक जी सबुड़ा तुम्हें ये चाल है on Tuesday को डेक माने जहाज है, on Tuesday you wish you hadn't come है, मंडे रे तुम यहीटा भाव आग कहला जोटा है इन योर बजम, एंड ट्यूसडे रे तुम कौन करियो, you wish you hadn't come, तुम आसीन। on Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, you wish you were dead, तुम मरी जाइए दिन। on Saturday you are able to swallow a little beef tea, okay, तुम पियूच से दिन beef tea, and to sit up on deck, शोच ये जो मझे जो 3 दिन मर जाए कहे शोच and to sit up on deck and answer with his one, okay, मैंने पूरा पूरा लेजी लेजी तमे ये करछो वन तमे आंसर दोछो स्वीट स्माइल हसी हसी दोछो व्हेन काइंड हार्टेड पीपल आस्क यू हाउ यू फील नाउ पचारछन तमे हेतेबेले तमे आंसर दोछो पूरा एंती स्माइल करिए ऑन संडे यू बिगिन टू वॉक अबाउट अगेन पुणी चलो संडे रे पुणी डेक ऊपर चलो एंड टेक सॉलिड फूड and on Monday morning as with your bag and umbrella in your hand you stand by the gone well okay ହେଲା stand by the gone well ସେଇ ପଟ ସାଇଡ୍ ରେ जो बोट रो हे गोटे पट साइड गन वेल कहती ताकू एक्सट्रीम सॉरी वंस अपर एज ऑफ द मंगोटा जो है ओके बोट गन वेल है वेटिंग टू स्टेप ashore से दिन तुम ओल्हेब ना ओल्हेब यू बिगिन टू थरोली लाइक इट हाँ एटा भल लगे आई रिमेम्बर माय ब्रदर इन लॉ गोइंग फॉर ए शॉर्ट सी ट्रिप वंस माने तार सप्ताह हो गला तांकर एमती फॉर द बेनिफिट ऑफ हिज हेल्थ he took a return berth from London to Liverpool okay and when he got to Liverpool the only thing he was anxious about was to sell that return ticket okay से कहला मो ब्रदर इन लॉ जाइथिला हैं he took a return berth from London to Liverpool पुणे लिवरपूल को फेरियो बोली हैं से जाइथिला कोठी की लंदन को लंदन नु पुणी फेरियो लिवरपूल and when he got to Liverpool the only thing he was anxious about was to sell that return ticket okay return berth from London to Liverpool ओहो लंदन टू लिवरपूल से जाइची लिवरपूल फेरियो ओके किंतु सेटा से फेरे देला नहीं anxious फेरे को चाहूतला माने आउरी रहिया को it was offered around the town at a tremendous reduction so I am told that was and was eventually sold for 18 pence to a bilious looking youth who had just been advised by his medical man to go to the seaside and take exercise okay it was offered around the town at a tremendous reduction बहुत बड़ा reduction करके एटा को दिया है so I am told मत कहुई शुणी जहाँ है एत कम पैसा दिहला एंड वाज इवेंचुअली सोल्ड फॉर 18 pence रे बिकी दिहला टू ए बिलियस लुकिंग ओके बड़ लोक बिलियस ह्यूज लुकिंग यूथ ताको बिकी दिहला who had just been advised by medical men to go to the seaside है ताको कहुई seaside and take exercise ताको बिकी देला the seaside said my brother-in-law pressing the ticket affectionately into his hand why you will have enough to last you a lifetime and as for exercise why you will get more exercise sitting down on that ship than you do turning somersaults on dry land seaside ଯିବୁ ସେ କହିଲା my brother in law ତାକୁ କହିଲା pressing the ticket affectionately into his hand ତାକୁ ଧରେଇ ଦେଲା why you will have enough to last you lifetime and as for exercise why you will get more exercise कहीं बेसी एक्सरसाइज करू सिटिंग डाउन on that seat then you would turning several somersaults on dry land तो कहीं माने ड्राई लैंड रे कहीं somersault मारिबुनी हला हैं somersault माने सर्कस करिबु हैं he himself my brother-in-law came back by train huh? He said the North-Western Railway was healthy enough for him हला से निजे आसला ट्रेन में another fellow I knew went for a week's voyage round the coast week's voyage गोटे वीक में जाइथिला से ये रे बोट रे हाँ राउंड द कोस्ट खाली कोस्ट रे बुलिला कोस्ट माने जानछु कूल हाँ and before they started the steward came to him and asked whether he would pay for each meal as he had it or arrange beforehand for the whole series okay हाँ से जोड़ा खाइबो सेठी दबो पैसा संग संग दबो हाँ प्रति मील पे और अरेंज बिफोरहैंड फॉर द होल सीरीज ना आगुआ पैसा दे दो बुझेला नहीं स्टीवार्ड recommended the latter course तो आगुआ पैसा दे दे भलो हो आज इट वुड कम सो मच चीपर सस्ता है जोड़ी he said they would do him for a whole week at £2.5 okay बहुत कम पैसा रे जोगे दे he said for breakfast there would be fish followed by grill भी गोटे कौन खाद्य Attic match lunch was at 1 o'clock and consisted of 4 courses चारिटा बोधे खाद्य दिया जीवो dinner at 6 soup fish entry okay joint poultry माने chicken salad sweets cheese and dessert okay and a light meal supper at 10 okay इन सब खाद्य देबे पैसा नेबे हैला my friend thought he would close on the £2.5 job he is a hearty eater and did so he would close on the yes it I choose करियो है lunch came just as they were off okay Sheerness छाड़ला परे ताऊ lunch मिलला he didn't feel so hungry as he thought he should and so contented himself एतिकरे से खुशी हला with a bit of boiled beef एति खाइला and some strawberries and cream okay एतिकरे से खाइला हला he pondered a good meal during the afternoon pondered बहुत खाइला and at one time it seemed to him that he had afternoon में बेसी खाइला he had been eating nothing but boiled beef for weeks like boiled beef खाउछ and at other times it seemed that he must have been living on strawberries and cream for years ହେଲା कौन एया खाइबे बोली मु थिला माने बहुत वर्ष होला खाइ नथिन त खाउछु हैला sorry he must have been living on एरा खाई खाई बंचुची बहुत दिन एते खाइलानी जे से भाबुची बहुत दिन हला खाउची हां neither the beef nor the strawberries and cream seemed huh? happy. Either seemed discontented like. Okay. Then taku era khai khai lagilani ye kharap at 6 they came and told him dinner was ready. The announcement aroused तार आनिला ता देहरे no enthusiasm within him. କିଛି ଆଗ୍ରହ ଆଣିଲାନି but he felt that there is some of that 2 pound 5 to be worked off. ହେଲା worked off ମାନେ ତା ଦେହରୁ କିଛି ଶସ୍ତା ହେଇଥାନ୍ତା ହେଲା and he held on to ropes and things and went down. Some of that 2 pound 5 to be worked on. Oh, sorry. से खाई झड़ेब बेटा खाइलानी किछि ताकू झड़ेब and he held on to से तापरे on to ropes धइला हला and things and went down तळु गला a pleasant odor of onions and a ham hela hot ham mingled with the fried fish and grains greeted him at the bottom of the ladder. Oh, sorry. So that some of that two gifts had to be worked off. Means उसे खाइजी पुणी खाइबो ना 200 pound 5 केम सारिबो ହେଲା ତ ଖାଇबो से गला तळुको एटा and then steward came up with an oily smile and said, "What can I get you, sir?" "Get me out of these," was the feeble reply. Feeble माने weak reply. से कहला मोते हला मु से कहला get me out of this. And they ran him off quick and propped him up and over to leeward and left him. से जो थ्रू आसुला एटी ताको बाहर करले हला हला ताको बाहर करले अच्छा for the next 4 days he lived a simple and blameless life on thin captain's biscuits. एटा biscuits खाइला खाली हला I mean that the biscuits were thin, not the captain. And soda water pila. But towards Saturday he got office. Okay, office. Fresh like that and went in for weak tea and dried toast. बड़ा खाएगा weak tea क्या लगेगा अच्छा on Monday he was a virgin. Virgin बहुत खाइला himself on chicken broth. Chicken बहुत खाइला Monday. He left the ship on Tuesday and as it steamed away from the landing stage he gazed after it regretfully. ହେଲା Tuesday रे ओल्हेला तापर जो सीट एटा पळेला ताकू भल लागलानी बुझिपरल न ताकू रिग्रेट लागला